Hello class, in this video I'll be introducing the fifth basic characteristic of a parabola. Let's begin. The fifth basic characteristic of a parabola is its domain and range. All quadratic functions are polynomials, therefore the domain of a quadratic function is all real numbers. In interval notation, that would look like this: negative infinity to infinity. Now the range of a quadratic function depends upon which way the parabola opens. Looking at the example to the left, the parabola opens upwards, making the vertex, which I just highlighted, the lowest point on the graph. What this means is that the 4, which I just underlined in green, is the smallest value in the range. So the range is going to be 4 to infinity. Now the bracket is here because 4 is included in the range. Looking at the example on the right, this parabola opens down, making the vertex, which I just highlighted in yellow, the highest point on the graph. This means that the 7, which I'm underlining in blue, is the largest value in the range. So the range is going to be negative infinity to 7, followed by a bracket. And again, the bracket is here because 7 is included in the range. Now let's take a look at an example where the graph of the quadratic function is not given. We just have the equation. Find the domain and range of f of x is equal to negative x squared plus 8x minus 16. Now I'm going to start by finding the domain. The domain is quite easy. This is a quadratic function, so the domain is all real numbers. For the range, I'm going to start by finding the vertex. So recall that the vertex formula is negative b divided by 2a, comma f of negative b divided by 2a. Negative b divided by 2a is going to be negative 8 divided by 2 times negative 1, which is equal to 4. F of 4 is equal to 0, so the vertex is 4, 0. Now to determine if this vertex is the highest point on the graph or the lowest point on the graph. To figure that out, we have to just look at the value of a. A is equal to negative 1, which is less than 0. Since a is less than 0, the parabola opens down. So I'm going to make a quick sketch. It's going to go open down just like this. And the vertex is going to now be the highest point on the graph. Which means the 0, which I just underlined in blue, is going to be the largest value in the range. So the range is going to be negative infinity to 0 with a bracket. And we are done.